government. CHIPS is a single point of contact for all investors in order to provide you with a seamless experience. We have a very young and dynamic administration. In fact, CHIPS is headed by a CEO, a very young officer, Director Industries, Director Public Relations. All of them are in their late 20s, all of them are here. So they are bringing a new values, new set of culture, injecting into government so that we are very aggressive and we clear all the permissions, etc., almost on real-time basis. This is a small comparison which E&Y has done with the help of certain parameters. Of course, these are all big names, but you can see Raipur. Almost everything, in fact, as far as the cost of power is concerned, already Cabinet has taken decision, and when the new tariff comes up, what we have decided is that for ESDM and IT industry, the cost would be pegged at the average cost of supply of the distribution company. We have only one distribution company, and as I mentioned to you that our power tariff is already most competitive in country. Apart from that, whether it is the cost of land, whether it is the cost of housing, or whether it is the crime rate, you can see a huge difference compared to any other state. Before I conclude, let me share a small interesting anecdote. If you recall, most of you, that in 1999, Microsoft was the biggest IT company in the world. In fact, it was when the center of the universe was PC. In fact, in 1999, the market capitalization of Microsoft was around 620 billion US dollar. At that particular time, Apple was on the brink of bankruptcy. One leading techno journalist by name Robert X asked Bill Gates, do you think Apple, led by Steve Jobs, can overtake Microsoft? This was an interview in 1998. Mr. Bill Gates replied, not in my life. I am sure many of you must be aware that last week an epoch-making event happened in US when the market capitalization of Apple crossed 680 billion US dollar. And that particular time, Microsoft's total market capitalization was 338 billion US dollar. That means Apple today has a market capitalization of almost double of what Microsoft has. And this has happened in less than 2 decades. Today, Chhattisgarh is a proverbial Apple. At least you all can't complain after 15 or 20 years that we didn't tell you what is going to happen after 20 years. Thank you very much.